Welcome to Vanessa's Hideaway, and I'm going to take you inside and go into the screened-in porch, and it's the perfect place to curl up with a book or play a game of chess. And then we come into the house, and we come into a great room, which has cathedral ceilings and a table that expands to fit 8. And then over here is our kitchen. Sorry, I should have had the lights on, but we have good quality pots and pans and knives and like every utensil, just because I like to cook, so I figure other people would like to cook on vacation. And then there's the living room. This is the view out the window of Vanessa, the world famous sea serpent. And then down this hall, there's another bedroom. I have the blinds closed, but it's a trundle bed that turns into a king or 2 twins, and it has built-in bookshelves. The laundry room is through that door. And then I will take you upstairs. And upstairs we have 2 additional bedrooms. Oh, and there's a little tiny water closet bathroom downstairs. So this is the small room. It does have a full-size bed, but it is a very small room. But it has AC, little nightstand, and some shelves. And then there's a bathroom over here. And then this is the master. And again, view of the pond and the ocean. I don't know if the video will snap into, there we go. The ocean's out there. And then this is the master. It's a little sitting area over here. And that's Vanessa's Hideaway.